So the first thing I did on number 1 was add 7 to both sides to get 2n is less than 8 minus 2n. Then I added 2n to both sides to get 4n is less than 8 divided by 4 on both sides to get n is less than 2. Then on the other side, I subtracted 9 on both sides and then added 8 on both sides to get negative 1 is less than or equal to n. And then I have to flip that around to have the variable on the left. So that's n is less than or equal to negative 1. Here's the graph and here's an OPS. And then there's the work for 2 and 3. And then for number 4, the first thing I did was subtract 6 from both sides and add 7 to both sides to get the variable on one side and the non-variable on the other side to get 3x is less than or equal to 15 divided by 3 on both sides to get x is less than or equal to 5. And then on the other side, I subtracted 6 from both sides and added 4 on both sides to get the variable separate from the other number. And then I got 12 is less than or equal to 4x. Had to divide by 4x on both sides. And then I had to flip the sign because I needed the variable to be on the left. And then here's my OPS and my NS, 4 and negative 5, and then there's the graph. And then for number 5, the first thing I did was subtract n on both sides and add 4 on both sides on the left to get n is greater than or equal to 8. And then on the right, the first thing I did was subtract 3 from both sides and add 2n to both, or subtract 2n to both sides to get 2n is less than negative 4. Then I had to divide by 2 on both sides to get n is less than negative 2. And then here's the graph. OPS could be negative 3 or 18, and a NS could be 5. And then here's my work for 8.